Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you so very much for visiting us. This is part 2 of our series on whether new cars still require a break-in period. In this segment, we'll dive deeper into the practical aspects of braking in a new vehicle. We'll provide you with essential tips and guidelines to ensure a successful break-in process. Whether you're a new car owner or simply curious about maintaining your vehicle's performance, this information will be invaluable. Let's get started. Manufacturer recommendations. Most car manufacturers provide specific guidelines for a break-in period, which is typically outlined in the owner's manual. These recommendations may vary slightly between brands and models, but the general consensus is to follow these guidelines to ensure optimal performance and longevity of the vehicle. These guidelines often include suggestions such as avoiding excessive speeds, maintaining moderate engine RPMs, and refraining from towing heavy loads during the initial miles of ownership. Benefits of following the break-in period. Adhering to the break-in period recommendations set by the manufacturer can provide several benefits. Firstly, it allows the various engine components to properly settle and adapt to each other, promoting better sealing and reducing the risk of leaks and premature wear. Additionally, following the break-in period can help prevent overheating issues by allowing the engine coolant and lubricants to disperse evenly and establish proper circulation. Moreover, it promotes the proper bedding in of the brake pads and rotors, enhancing braking performance and reducing the risk of brake fade. Consequences of neglecting the break-in period. Neglecting the break-in period can lead to several adverse consequences for the vehicle. One of the primary risks is increased engine wear, as the components may not have had sufficient time to properly adapt and establish optimal contact surfaces. This can potentially result in decreased engine performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and even engine failure in extreme cases. Ignoring the break-in period can also lead to premature failure of other vital components such as the transmission, suspension, and braking system, compromising the overall safety and reliability of the vehicle. It is important to note that every car is different, and manufacturer recommendations should always be followed to maximize the performance and lifespan of the vehicle. While modern cars may be more resilient and technologically advanced, neglecting the break-in period can still have long-term consequences. By adhering to the guidelines provided by the manufacturer, car owners can ensure that their new vehicles perform optimally and last for years to come. Break-in period best practices. During the break-in period of a new car, it is crucial to follow certain best practices to ensure optimal performance and longevity of your vehicle. By adhering to these guidelines, you can maximize the efficiency of your engine, minimize potential issues, and ultimately enjoy a more reliable driving experience. In this segment, we will discuss 3 key aspects of break-in period best practices: proper engine warm-up, controlled driving conditions, and maintenance and inspection. Proper engine warm-up. When starting your new car, it is essential to allow the engine to warm up properly before driving. This ensures that the engine oil reaches its optimal operating temperature, allowing it to lubricate all the vital components effectively. To achieve this, simply start the engine and let it idle for a few minutes. This allows the engine oil to circulate and reach all the necessary parts, reducing the risk of premature wear and tear. Controlled driving conditions. During the break-in period, it is important to drive your new car in controlled conditions. This means avoiding excessive speeds, sudden accelerations, and aggressive driving maneuvers. By doing so, you allow the various components of the car, such as the engine, transmission, and brakes, to gradually adjust and settle into their optimal performance levels. Additionally, try to vary your driving conditions by incorporating a mix of city and highway driving whenever possible. This helps ensure that all parts of the vehicle are properly exercised and allows for a more comprehensive break-in process. Maintenance and inspection during the break-in period. Regular maintenance and inspection are vital during the break-in period to detect and address any potential issues early on. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule and bring your new car to the dealership or a trusted mechanic for scheduled inspections. It is crucial to check the fluid levels, including engine oil, coolant, and brake fluid, regularly. Additionally, keep an eye on the tire pressure and ensure they are properly inflated. By maintaining these aspects of your vehicle, you contribute to its overall health and performance during the break-in period and beyond. Moreover, if you notice any unusual sounds, vibrations, or warning lights, do not ignore them. Promptly address any concerns with a professional to prevent any potential damage or long-term issues. By following these break-in period best practices, you can help ensure that your new car performs optimally and remains in good condition for years to come. Remember, a little extra care and attention during this initial period can go a long way in maximizing your driving experience and the longevity of your vehicle. Note: always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for specific break-in period recommendations provided by the manufacturer. In conclusion, while the concept of a break-in period for new cars has been debated, it is still recommended by many manufacturers. Following the break-in guidelines provided in the owner's manual can help ensure the longevity and optimal performance of your new car. This period allows the engine components to settle and adapt to each other, reducing the risk of premature wear and potential issues down the line. Though modern manufacturing techniques have improved the overall quality and reliability of vehicles, taking the time to break in your new car is a small investment that can potentially save you from costly repairs in the future. So, whether you are driving a traditional combustion engine or an electric vehicle, it is wise to adhere to the break-in recommendations specified by your car's manufacturer. This concludes part 2 of our series on whether new cars still require a break-in period. We hope you found the tips and guidelines provided here helpful in ensuring the proper break-in of your vehicle. Remember that taking the time to follow these recommendations can contribute to better long-term performance and durability for your new car. If you found this 2-part series informative, please support our channel by liking, commenting with your thoughts, sharing these videos with others, and subscribing for more automotive insights. Safe driving, and may your new car serve you well. Thank you for watching.